This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Testo equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It's June 4th, 2019. So there I got a call for an oil smell down in the basement. Now she says, I know she's got a little gas furnace over there. It's a piece of York that she's got over there. A little gas furnace. It's a piece of York. And she says ever since the guy came and changed the water meter, she get a bad smell of oil coming through the house. So she said she had an oil tank that was down there that was full, that was capped off and not being used. Well, you should have really got rid of all that oil and got that tank out of there, but I'm going over there and see if I can find out what's going on. It doesn't sound like it's going to be a good situation for her. You're smelling oil inside the house. You got an old tank down cellar. We'll see. Gotta get somebody over here to pump all this oil out. Flipping leaking. Not leaking, but it's all porous. Wow. You want to come take a look at it?
No, I can see.
I mean, I could smell it and I could see it. I mean, you gotta get someone over here to... This thing's full of oil?
Yes.
Yeah, it hasn't let go yet, but it's really damn close.
Okay, I will.
See, now, if you had if you had oil here, I could put a new tank in here and pump the oil into it, but I have no way to get this oil out of this location. Usually what you do is you call a guy that's got an oil company, and they'll come pump this oil into their truck and sell it to someone else. That's usually what happens.
Well, that's what we were trying, and the
Well,
oil
it's not, is it full? Yeah, it is full.
Yeah, I mean, we had an oil delivery, because they just
it's
come,
full. Yeah.
And they came without us, they just came right before this furnace was changed.
Yeah, you have to get on this right away and find someone that can do this, because
Okay.
I don't have the capabilities of relocating the oil, You want to get under there and look?
No, I can see.
Alright, so we'll check the AC while I'm here. And 65 in here, I mean. We'll check it. It ain't really bad right there. Maybe a little bit. Put a little bit in it, but not really a lot. It's got a TXV, so put a small amount in there. It's only 65 in the house. I mean, it's not a lot. Put a little bit in there. A piece of York. I want to put a lot in because it's a micro channel. It don't hold a lot. But I can see my suction's at 112. My subcoolant's about 8.5. Superheat's 9. I mean, that's probably right where we're going to keep it right there. You don't want to overcharge it, especially with this 410A on a cool day. Leave it right there. subcoolant is about 9. It's got a TXV, so to regulate, this will be regulated that way. That's why we're going to leave it right there. Micro channel. It's probably a little 2-tonner. Right there. Yeah, well, you gotta get that.
Do you think it'll last another day? The woman said.
Yeah, I don't see why not. Another flipping day. I mean,
tomorrow.
Yeah. So they're gonna come do it tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, guys, just left that job. I guess she called the oil company. They're gonna come by tomorrow and pump that tank out. They get that tank out of there for her. And that piece of York over there, it's got a small leak somewhere on it. Told her to call back the guy who installed it. Put a new system in there a few years ago, and let him find the flipping leak. I mean, it's a brand new system. I don't mind putting a little gas in it for her, but I don't want to stop putting a new coil in for her or all this stuff. I mean, let the guy that put it in fix it. That's what I say. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. You working again, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, you love working. You love working. I know you love working.